Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and see which shape we drew in our pattern yesterday? If we find that last shape that we drew in our pattern yesterday, then we'll be able to figure out what today is. What's your best guess? Did you guess the blue rhombus or did you say blue diamond? Both of them are correct. This shape has two names, a diamond or a rhombus. We're going to say rhombus when we're saying our pattern, just so that we can keep saying it a couple of times and remember that it has two names, because diamond is kind of a common name that we know. Not everybody knows the name of the rhombus. So we're going to practice our pattern by saying rhombus. So yesterday was Friday, February 12th, 2021. And we're going to go over one square to figure out what today is. So we're just going to move over to the right. This is today. Today is Saturday. So we're going to draw our pattern in here so that we know which square to come back to while we're working on our calendar. If yesterday was a blue rhombus, what do you think today is? I hear such great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and say our pattern together and see if we're correct, okay? So we're starting with the red heart, blue rhombus, 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 red heart. Did you guess a red heart? Good job. So you can draw it in the air with me when I'm drawing it on the board, or you can practice on a piece of paper or on your calendar. So we're going to start here and we're going to go up in an arch and come down to a point. Then we're going to go back up into another arch and back down into the middle. So practicing your hearts is a great way to practice our drawing. You can color it in. Not everybody wants to put hearts and rhombuses on their calendar, so some people just put an X through the day. Whatever works for you is great. So today is Saturday. Do you remember how many days are in the week? Let's see if you're correct. We'll go back to the beginning over here. And let's count together. Just practice with me, even if you don't think you know them. You might surprise yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Now let's put that day into our sentence. Our sentence begins with today is. And today is Saturday. So Saturday begins with an S. S sounds like slithery snake is usually the first words that come to my mind. Or salamander. Capital S because it's the day, it's the name of the day. Capital S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Saturday. So we'll start with a capital S because it's the name of the day. A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. And then we're going to put a comma, and that comma is going to tell us to pause just for 1 second before we say our next word. And our next word is the month. Do you remember what month we're in? Do you remember how many months there are in a year? Let's count them and see if our guess is correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. And let's see if we can remember the names. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember what month it is? February. That's right. So February begins with a capital F, which sounds like fish or fresh or foul. F. So begins with a capital F, E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. February. February. So let's put that into our sentence. Today is Saturday, February. So it's a capital F because it's the name of our month. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. And next we need to put in our number. What do you think our number is going to be today? We'll go back up to our square. There's no number yet, but yesterday was 12. So what comes after 12? What do you think will come after 12 here? Oh, you guys are so good at guessing. Let's count and see if we're correct, okay? Go back to the beginning. Are you ready? Count with me, even if you don't know it yet. We'll practice together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did you guess 13? Good guessing. So 13 is 2 digits and it's a 1 and a 3 together. So you can practice with me either in the air or on your paper. Start up at the top and strike down. That's a 1. Then go back up to the top and make 2, go around and then make 2 loops. Go up and loop and loop. There you go. Maybe bumps. Bumps would be a better word. It's not loops. So a 1 and a 3 make a 13. And when we put it into the calendar, then we say 13th. Can you do the th at the end? 13th. Good job. So now let's count backwards. Are you ready? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. So let's put 13 into our sentence. Today is Saturday, February 13th. So we're going to put a 1 and a 3 and then a comma. And then we're going to put in the year 2021. 2, 0, 2, 1. And then a period. And the period tells us to stop. That's the end of the sentence. We're not going to say any more words. And then we're going to have a comma and another comma. And those commas tell us to pause just for 1 second before we say the next word. Are you ready to say the whole sentence together? I know you can do it. Say it with me. Today is Saturday, February 13th, 2021. Good job. Thank you so much for saying that with me. It's much better saying things together than by yourself. Did you have a chance to look outside before we started doing the weather today? I peeked outside and it's the same as yesterday. Do you remember what yesterday was? Might be different for you. Your days might be different, but this week we're having the same day yesterday as we did, or the same day today as we did yesterday. Is it snowing where you are? There's no snowing where I am. What about rainy? Is it raining? Do you get to wear rain boots and an umbrella today? Maybe splash in some puddles? I would love to splash in some puddles, but it's not raining here. What about partly sunny, partly cloudy? Do you have some sun, but the clouds are out? We have some sun, but there's no clouds. So it's not cloudy here. Is it cloudy where you are? Sunny. That's what we have today. We are sunny. So we'll put that on our weather chart. And will you help me fill in the weather chart? The first one is sunny, so that's easy. We don't have to go very far for that one. And we already have some tally marks in there. Do you remember what those tally marks mean? Oh, let's see if you're correct. When we see tally marks in this pattern, we can automatically guess what number it is. We should automatically know. So let's count and see if we're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. When tally marks are in a group like this with a line through it, that means 5. And we have one more sunny day because it's sunny today. Do you know what 5 plus 1 is? Let's see. Do you remember how to make a tally mark? Put your finger to the sky and strike down. Will you help me put it on the calendar, on the chart? Ready? Go up to the top and strike down. Good job. So now we can figure out what 5 plus 1 is because we can add them up. 5 plus 1. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sunny days this month. That's a lot of sunny days for January. So today, let's do our agenda. And I actually have something silly to show you. I'll show you after we're done our agenda. It's kind of silly and kind of fun. I did another craft yesterday when I was done baking. So yesterday I baked cookies and I did that. And I had some free time, so I did one more craft. And I'll show you what I made right when we're done here. So today is Saturday, so I'm going to put a capital SATURDAY. Did you print that on your piece of paper? It's okay if you didn't, but if you did, that's super good as well. So Saturday, comma, and now we're going to spell out the month, and you can say it with me or you can print it on your paper. F, capital F, EBRUARY. And then 13, 1, 3. Ooh, that was close. I really had to squeeze it in there. I'm going to come down here and do the year 2021, period. I'm going to practice making my numbers all the way up to 13. It's good to practice every day. Practice with me on your paper or say them with me if you don't have a paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ran out of room, so we're going to come back down to the bottom here. 12, 13. Good job. And it's sunny today, so I'm going to make sunshine. I do like the sunshine, but just because the sun is shining doesn't mean it is warm. It is actually quite cold today. I'm going to do some more baking because tomorrow is Valentine's Day and I want to have sweet treats for all the people that I love. So I'm going to make some cupcakes. So we'll just make a little cupcake cup here. And then I think I will put on some pink icing because it's Valentine's Day. Color that in pink. Do you like to make cupcakes? What are your favorite cupcakes? Ooh, I really like chocolate, but I also like cherry chip. Have you ever had cherry chip cupcakes? Oh, those are so good. I'm gonna put some sprinkles on here. Let's see what other color sprinkles can I have. Red. Sprinkles are yummy too. And then I'm gonna practice spelling my name because I want to practice every day, so get really good at it. Make a capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. So I was very excited yesterday and I'm still excited today, but we will go over our feeling faces. But when we do our feeling faces, I'm going to show you what I made yesterday because I had a little bit more time. Are you ready? Are you ready? How do you like it? It's my Valentine's Day hat. Does it look pretty good on me? Would you like one? You can make one yourself. We did the craft yesterday and I made a video of it so that you could also learn how to make your craft. It's just made out of a paper plate and we cut a heart out of the top and popped it up so that we could have our own little hat. Mine is a little bit small, but I have a feeling that your head might be a little bit smaller than mine. It's kind of made for kid heads, not for adult heads. But that's kind of a fun little activity and you can wear it on Valentine's Day. You can make some for your family and friends. Be a fun little activity. So I was excited yesterday. I'm probably still excited today because I made hats and I've made love bugs and I've made cupcakes. No, I'm making cupcakes today. Yesterday I made cookies and today I'm going to make cupcakes. So I don't think I'm sad. Are you sad? I hope you're not sad today, but if you're sad, it's okay. Maybe you can talk to somebody about it, maybe a sibling or a grown-up. What about nervous? Are you nervous today? Maybe you're nervous because it's Valentine's Day tomorrow and you don't know what to do. It's just a fun day. You just get to give lots of hugs and tell people you love them. There's nothing really crazy going on. Are you nervous? What about angry? I'm not angry today. Are you angry? It's okay to be angry as well. What about excited? I think I'm still excited. There's also happy. Are you happy today or are you excited? Maybe just content, peaceful, quiet? I am excited. I can't wait for Valentine's Day tomorrow. So today, as part of my being kind, I'm going to share my cupcakes. You probably guessed that, right? When I do baking, I really like to share it, just like I shared the cookies yesterday. So I'm going to share some of my cupcakes. I'll probably make a little bit less than cookies than I made yesterday because I just don't make as many, but I'll still have lots to share. Can you think of something kind to do today? Are you going to bake some cookies or maybe make a craft and share it with people? Maybe make a Valentine, a little card to give to somebody. It's okay if you don't know how to print or spell words yet. All you need to do is draw a little picture and give it to somebody and they will love it. So I hope you find something wonderful and kind to do today and I hope you have a great day. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.